All right. Guys, by now, we're on page 10. Can you tell we jumped from 7 to 10? You'll see the section on the bottom where it says 17, 18, 19, and 20. We kind of skipped those. You're ready for everything else. Go ahead and proceed and use your practice, if you need to correctly do your checkup. Let me look at and do number 20 for you. You've got there 2x squared times y to the third times z to the fourth. Is that correct? All right, what does it tell me? All to the 0 power. Now, what does that do? What are they asking you to do? The trick is, on this one, is that this looks weird, doesn't it? Do you know what 1 million is to the 0 power? It's not 0, it equals 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. I'll explain it to you someday when you have more time than you know what to do with. But when you see anything to the 0 power inside of a parenthesis, that whole animal is equal to uno. Got it? You put a 1 there. I don't care what it is. Now number 19 is kind of tricky and cute. Let me do this just because we can, okay? Number 19 is 3x to the 2n over 9x to the 2n. Well, the sign is positive. 3 and 9, the highest one's on the bottom, a 1 on top, right? 3 into 3, uno. 3 into 9, 3. Now, x to the 2n, x to the 2n. Well, let me show you what that means. That's x to the 2n minus 2n. Because you subtract the 2n from the 2n, what's 2n minus 2n? That's where the 0 thing comes in, guys. That's where the 1 over 3 is x times x to the 0. What's anything to the 0 power is 1. What is 1 times 1/3? Well, anything times 1 is itself. The whole answer to that one is 1/3. This here is 1/3. What you could say is that cancels and that cancels because they're identical. I was just showing you the algebraic subtraction with the 0 value there. Are you confused? That's easier to see, isn't it? But that is doing the same. This into this is not 0. This into this is 1. So you subtract those. We can do more of it later. Come ask me if you're confused. But 1/3 is your answer. Okay, have some fun. Hey guys, look here, page number 12 already. Yeah, you're just tearing it up here, having fun. What we're going to do is learn how to combine bunches of pieces. I've written down one of the problems. Let me figure out which one it was, so I can tell you. Can you find that on the sheet there for me already? There we go. Number 8. That's where we are. Number 8. This is problem number 8. Pardon me, I like to let you see it as an example. I want to teach you a basic skill on how to handle these pieces so you can combine these and have fun. The whole page, this page and next page can be done this way. I'm going to start with the ascending powers of the highest x, which is x to the third, then x squared, and then 2x. And I'm going to do it this way. I've got an x to the third column. Do I have any other x to the thirds? I do not. What sign is in front here? There's a plus here and a plus here. Therefore it's plus. Now, I've got that one done. What's my next one? A plus sign and a plus sign. I've got a plus x squared. Do I have any other x squareds? Nope, I do not. That's the only one there. So that one is taken care of. I'm keeping track. How are you doing? Good. I've got a number here. I've got an x here, I've got an x here. What I need to do is, let's pull this one here. That's a plus sign, plus a negative 2x is indeed a negative 2x. Good deal. I've got that one taken care of. That plus there, I've got a plus 2x. I'm going to stack it right underneath because they're the same. Do you see that? A 2x and a 2x. Now, what do I have here? A plus 3x. So that's a minus 3 there on that. I've got that done. Now I've got a plus the 4 is plus 4. And I've got a what over here? Oops, I got that one. That's that plus 2x I did. Plus 5. What I did is I stacked the same things in a column so I can keep track. So when I'm all said and done here, how many x to the thirds do I have? X to the third plus x squared. What happens here? Cancels out. What's negative 3 and a plus 4? There you go. Plus 1 and 1 plus 5 is a plus 6. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how easily you combine pieces like that. You can use that and stack them. It takes a lot of paper, I don't care, but learn to stack all the similar pieces and then combine them for your answers. And that one comes down, that one comes down untouched. So, there you go. Have fun. You're good for the next couple of pages.